Hello, class 10th. Today's topic is pollution. This is what Mother Nature has given to us. But what we have done, polluted everything. The term pollution means the manifestation of any unsolicited foreign substance in something. When we talk about pollution on earth, we refer to the contamination that is happening of the natural resources by various pollutants. All this is mainly caused by human activities which harm the environment in ways more than one. Therefore, an urgent need has arisen to tackle this issue straightway. That is to say, pollution is damaging our earth severely, and we need to realize its effect and prevent this damage. There are mainly three types of pollution: air, water, and soil pollution. Pollution affects the quality of life more than one can imagine. It works in mysterious ways, sometimes which cannot be seen by the naked eyes. However, it is very much present in the environment. For instance, you might not be able to see the natural gases present in the air, but they are still there. Similarly, the pollutants which are messing up the air and increasing the level of carbon dioxide is very dangerous for humans. Increased level of carbon dioxide will lead to global warming. Further, the water is polluted in the name of industrial development, religious practices, and more will cause a shortage of drinking water. Without water, human life is not possible. Moreover, the way waste is dumped on the land eventually ends up in the soil pollution and making it toxic. If land pollution keeps up happening at this rate, we won't have fertile soil to grow our crops. Therefore, serious measures must be taken to reduce pollution to the core. As you can see, we are dumping all the biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances. Excessive mining causing the change of the route of the river, deposition of the plastics and other substances which will not degrade at all by the microorganism will cause toxicity of the soil, leading to the damage to the soil by losing its fertility, and not only to the soil but also the human beings, plants, other animals living on this earth depending on the air, water and soil. These pollutants which are present in air, water and soil has severely damaged our body system. There are several effects. Not a single body part is left by these pollutants, like lungs completely affected by the air pollution, whereas the skin and the alimentary canal system affecting the water pollution. Too much of use of pesticides and other substances are leading to the damage to the skin, may lead to the cancers of the skin and the other part. People who are using the water with having high toxic levels are damaging their skin. Small kids in a very early age due to the air pollution are suffering from asthmatic diseases where they are having the respiratory disorders. Early age respiratory disorders led to the severe lungs damage. Contaminated water leading to the diarrhea, cholera, dysentery type of diseases. Severe amoebic dysentery may cause stomachache and diseases related to the alimentary canal. These diseases not only affecting directly the organs, but if you will go in a polluted condition when the air pollution If you go to a polluted place, you will see that your eyes are turning red, causing itching. The water, when get deposited, is a breeding place for different type of organisms, especially mosquitoes, which will cause malaria, dengue, and other diseases. The contaminated water is not what we deserve, but what we are getting due to the land and water soil pollution. All that underground water is also being depleted and polluted. The water what we are drinking is also causing different type of the diseases of the skin due to high deposition of arsenic, lead, fluorides in it. The people working in the soil, that are farmers, they are developing different type of the diseases on their sole, legs, etc., those parts which are in direct contact with the contaminated soil by pesticides, insecticides, and different type of the chemicals. The plants are also not being saved. We have damaged the productivity of the soil by using excessive amount of these substances, causing different type of diseases in the plants. The aquatic animals, when they are getting that type of the water having different type of the pollutants, are dying and changing the food chain in that area. Our next generation is not also saved. They are developing different type of allergies in a very early age. A alarming situation where you will see a different type of the diseases are caused by this water, and a large share is by the diarrhea. But it is you people only who can save this mother nature by using less amount of the pesticides, insecticides, and the other polluting substances. You cannot avoid pollution or development, but it should be sustainable, changing the course of life of different animals, plants, and human beings. Save earth, you can save your own life. Thank you.